How to play Clash Royale on a school Chromebook. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can play Clash Royale even if that specific games or any types of games is currently blocked using your school Chromebook. So what you want to do at first is of course open up your school Chromebook browser and we're gonna visit a proxy website. So the proxy site is gonna be Moon App. Hit on enter and then just simply choose on the very first result that will redirect you into the cloudmoonapp.com's official site. Now this is going to be here. So all I have to do is go into the search box and type in Clash Royale. Click that, hit on play. Choose on your preferred server, say for example on US West or South America. And in here you should need to log in into an existing Google account for you to be able to play on that current server. But that's the most convenient way for you to play Clash Royale on a school Chromebook.